Hello, in front of me I've got ZEEKER Dash Cam. In this video I'll show you how to connect rear camera. In order to connect rear camera to your main camera, take a look at the left side of your dash cam. Here we've got the top, because here is the mount and USB port, and here we've got rear camera port. In order to connect it, simply plug rear camera to this port. Now the rear camera is plugged. Turn on your dash cam. And you'll be able to see visual from the dash cam. You can now change mode between front, rear or split. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.